everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Today's video is my weigh-in and my meal that I made this week. I know I promised about the dessert, but twice now I have tried to do a video on it, and there was something wrong with that SD card. I finally figured it out. Yes, I had to format it to get it to work. Unfortunately, so I lost 2 videos, twice of me making my banana ice cream. But I will plan on doing it later this week. I can't keep doing it because that's a lot of bananas and very filling. And it does other things to my system too, I'm finding out. But I am going to do it, try it one more time, and we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, check out my salmon with roasted garlic lemon butter sauce. So be right back and let's get started with that. Okay, for the salmon dish I'm preparing, here's 2 salmon, green onions, lemon. I took the rest of my almond, the plant butter almond flavored, and the plant butter olive oil, mixed them both together in one dish because I need refrigeration space more than anything. This is homemade chicken broth, roasted garlic, and of course more roasted garlic and herbs. That's going to be part of the seasoning to the salmon. And then I'm also going to be putting in the pan the coconut oil. And for my side dish is one of my homemade steam bags of broccoli. If you want to know how to do the steam bags, I'll post a link up here to the video that I did, and I'll post it at the end of this video as well. Alright, be right back. Let's get started. Let me get the camera set up and we'll get started. Okay, I seasoned the salmon with some of that garlic and herb. And I'm going to sear it on both sides. I want to get that skin kind of crisp. So be back in a moment and you'll see when I flip it over how crispy it will be. When you start seeing the juices coming through like this, that's when it's about time to flip it. As you can see, that skin is crispy right now. Okay, it's not quite done yet. But this is where I pull it off the stove because I'm getting that crispy, and I'll show you what I do next. While this is still warm, I add in my roasted garlic. This time I'm using a spoon and I'm going to hold it good. My chicken broth. Ooh, that's a little warm. My almond butter, or almond and olive oil butter. And remember how I told you how to do the lemons? It's in one of my tips and tricks videos, which I will post a link to up here. I've already put it in the microwave. It's nice and soft. And you add the lemon juice to it. Look at all that juice that keeps coming out of it. And here's part of this one. Okay. Now we're going to put these back in and poach them. I know you're saying, what about all that crispiness? Well, that crispiness is what gives it more flavor. And of course, cover it up. I tried covering it from the bottom. Of course, didn't work. Give it about 5 minutes and it'll be done. Be right back. Okay, I took the lid off of it. And that's the way it looks like. And turn this off. That beeping that you heard just now, that was my steamed broccoli. So let me plate this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, after you get it plated up, you get some of that lemon butter juice. Put on top of there. And you sprinkle some scallions on top. Or green onions. Whatever you want to call it, however you want to call it. And there you go. Being with my diet, I can eat as much greens as I want because it is steamed. So it's looked really good. Alright, there you go. Be right back. Well, that meal was very good. Oh my God. Yes, that was a lot of broccoli. Unfortunately, I did not finish it all. I thought I could eat as much broccoli as I want. And I guess that was just a little too much. I probably took about 5 bites of it. And the rest I just put away. And I will be having that later on too. Alright, let's get in with the weigh-in. Okay, be right back. Okay, it's time to do this weigh-in. $196.2. Well, I lost 6 ounces. It's still a loss. And I think I'm going to be changing up my diet. We'll discuss it in a minute. As you can see, I only lost 0.6 ounces this week. So I am going to change up my diet a little bit. I am going to be eating a lot more greens due to the fact because I'm not a lot of the food I'm eating is not coming out. Can I put it that way delicately? And for you those that don't understand, the bathroom duties is not working. Okay, can I get it any plainer than that? I've had to take a certain pill called Correctol to help me go to the bathroom. You would think with all the vegetables I'm eating that I wouldn't have a problem, but I have it. So I think a lot of it stayed in with me. Plus, I've been drinking a lot of pickle juice. Well, I'm now cutting out that due to the fact I think I am retaining water from it from probably the salt content. But even though it does help me with my appetite, it's also keeping me, even my fingers, as you can see right now, are a little bit swollen. Look how tight my rings are. And my rings are not usually this tight. It's not usually this tight. So I am retaining a lot of water. I know that once my system gets regulated again, I believe the pounds are going to even come off even more. I'm going to be drinking certain herbal teas I'll let you know how they work, if they're any good. But unfortunately, it's not helping me, because that means I've done less than a pound 2 weeks in a row. It means I've either hit a plateau, and I've got to do something to shock my metabolism to get it back to working again. And there was the crazy hours I've been having at work. Who knows what the issues are. But, look, I'm not disappointed. It is a loss. May not be much, but it is a loss. I'm not gaining. That's the most important thing. I'm not gaining the weight back. So, with all that said, it's on to a brand new week. I am going to be doing certain greens and certain vegetables I'm going to be cutting out. And hence that too, I think, like I said, bananas. So the banana dessert, unfortunately, banana is a binder. So the banana dessert, please understand, I will get a video out on that. I'm not sure if I want to do that again this week, because that was very filling, and it did stick with me for a long time. But I will get to it so you all can see it. It was delicious. It's a non-dairy banana ice cream. It was good. And I promise I will get to that maybe by the end of this week. Okay? So I know a couple people were looking forward to that one. Me too. And like I said, I did it twice. Corruption. Oh well. This is part of the digital network and computer age. We do have issues. It's not perfect every single time. And y'all know me, I never have a perfect video. It's always a blooper somewhere. I want to thank you all, though, for watching this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe. Click on that little notification bell. And do a thumbs up and introduce yourself. Y'all don't forget about Wednesday night, getting sassy with Saucy. Now, I'm thinking of something good for this week. Either way, we always have fun and lots of laughs. So come join us live. There's quite a few of us that get together. And why did my phone just do a money sound? Does that mean I might get some money? Oh yeah, that's another thing. I file taxes. So I'm going to get a nice little return. Maybe that's what it's telling me. Who knows? I think that's one of my game notifications. Blooper? Is that, should we say that? So again, thank you all for watching. You all have an awesome, awesome day. And I will see you on Wednesday at Get Sassy with Saucy. Alright. Bye-bye now.